Hi everyone, how are you? Thank you so much for being here and watching. So today I'm excited and also really sad. We are going to be opening the final POPSUGAR must-have subscription box. I have been subscribed to POPSUGAR must-have since 2016 when it was a monthly subscription, and yeah, I've absolutely loved it. So it was a monthly lifestyle subscription, eventually changed into seasonal, and it has always been one of my favorites. So yeah, a little bit of a bummer, but I'm also excited to see what's inside. So this is the last box. So if you sign up, you're not like subscribing, but I just looked on their website and it is still available. Normally it's $75, but I do have a $20 off link to share down below with you. It's a referral link. So if you like what you see in here, you can get this box for $55. Who knows, maybe they'll even reduce it more, I don't know. Usually they sell it really fast, so I was surprised to see they're still available. Maybe they just had more boxes for their final one. So before we open this gigantic box, sorry I didn't even show you guys like I usually do right away, I just want to take a quick moment and say hi and welcome if you are new here. My name is Kitty. I open subscription boxes every single day here on our channel, so if you love subscription boxes, I would absolutely love it if you subscribe. That would mean so much to me. And side note, you can probably tell I'm filming way later than usual. My makeup's been on my face for like 10 plus hours, so don't judge. Girl is too excited to open this box, so yeah, let's get started. I've seen a lot of my friends open this box, but I haven't watched any of their videos yet. And also, this was like the first time we didn't customize anything, so it's kind of a surprise. I may have seen spoilers at some point, but I don't remember. Inside it says happiness delivered. Love the colors, and this is heavy. Got a huge box of stuff. My cats are so hyper. Oh my gosh. I love when I open a box and it just smells so good. Something in here smells so good, so summery. So here is a little pamphlet, Summer 2020 POPSUGAR must-have. And there's a note from the editor, Lisa Sugar, who founded POPSUGAR. So I wonder what they're going to do now. I'm not going to read this whole note she wrote, but at the very end she says, "This isn't goodbye, it's see you soon as we look to evolve the must-have brands in new ways. POPSUGAR will always be here to power your happy." They do have a blog. It's actually pretty good. So I wonder what they're going to do. But then the rest of the pages talk about the items, give a little bit of detail and the pricing. I don't even know where to start. We'll just start with what's on top. That's easiest. Looks like we have a purse here. Very summery. Let's get it out of the bag. Oh, cute. This is a clutch. I've gotten a few other bags in different boxes recently that are similar with this like palm look, but this is actually the cutest and the most my style. There's a snap closure. That's what it looks like on the inside. Oh, cool. So you can wear it as a bag or clutch. I love that. And there's like a little side pocket in there. This is so perfect for summer months. I really like this. I told myself that if I film another video, which I wanted to do anyways, I just like to reward myself, but I could reward myself and go get a bottle of wine from the gas station. So I'll have to rock this purse when I go. So this is the Tanya Raffia Crossbody by Mary Soul, and it has a retail value of $59 and says go hands free with this perfect summer purse, handmade in Madagascar. This versatile bag is crafted with sustainable raffia, and the intricate craftsmanship is instantly eye-catching. We chose this neutral shade because it goes with everything, so you can sling it over your shoulder 24/7. This really would go with anything. And if you want to see it styled there, her dress looks really pretty. I noticed some like food items, so I'm guessing these might be like a bonus, or sometimes I just throw in little treats. And yeah, caught my eye, so let's talk about those. Diane's Kitchen Daily Crunch Sprouted Almonds. These are salt-free, oil-free, just nuts, soaked and slowly dehydrated for a uniquely crunchy, smart snack. Nice, and it's actually resealable if you don't want to eat all the almonds at once. Very healthy. I'm trying to be healthier these days, so when we can finally venture out of the house, I could maybe look good in a bathing suit, maybe. And then the other snack is oatmeal plant-based protein bar, red, which stands for Radiant Energy Delicious Delivery, or Delivered. Is that the brand, red? Eat well, feel good, be radiant. This has 2 grams of sugar, adaptogens, pre and probiotics, 10 grams of protein, 16 grams of fiber. Nice. I love stuff like this, especially now that I've been working out. And sometimes if I'm in a hurry or on the go, I can eat this. It's vegan, gluten-free, so it's oatmeal is the flavor. Nice. That sounds more appetizing than like straight up almonds to me right now, but I do enjoy almonds. Cashews, I think, are my favorite to snack on. So this oatmeal plant-based protein bar is $2.99. And the Daily Crunch snacks, it looks like we could have gotten a few, or maybe there's more in here, I don't know. But $3.49. And they show here there's sprouted almonds, coffee-soaked sprouted almonds, or cherry berry nut medley. Ooh, the coffee-soaked ones sound good. Next item is by psmh. It's me, if I'm pronouncing it correctly. Gentle Makeup Remover Cleansing Wipes. You get 30 biodegradable facial wipes in here. I absolutely love that they are biodegradable. I try not to use wipes too often, but they do come in handy, especially when I'm doing swatches and stuff like that. And the fact that these are biodegradable, I don't feel as wasteful using them. But how cute is this packaging? Oh, they tell you how to pronounce it. It's psmh. Oh, psmh, okay. French for it's me. We create clean, gentle, effective products that are game changer for anyone who has delicate, sensitive, or blemish-prone skin. I'm blemish-prone. So nice. Your skin is the largest organ you have, and we believe in taking care of it, preserving and nourishing your skin's natural barrier with healthy ingredients and effective formulas to keep it balanced, calm, and clear to do what it does best. And these psmh wipes have a retail value of $10. Oh yay, next up it looks like we have a candle. I'm so excited, and I love bougie candles, and this looks a little bougie. Antica Farmacita, I don't know, scented candle in lush palm. Nice. Intoxicating green floral. The top notes are dewy banana leaf, aloe, tart green apple, and the mid notes are saltwater, Tahitian gardenia, sambac, jasmine, and the base notes are labdanum, sweet amber, and Mexican vanilla. I'm sure that's exactly how I would describe it after taking a whiff. Oh man, it smells so good. And it looks so fancy and pretty. I love it. So here's the label. So cute. This will look good in any room. Oh my god, it smells so good. Smell-o-vision. Wow, this is $46. The lush green floral fragrance of this candle is intended to remind you of a tropical getaway. I pretty much live in a tropical environment. Well, I do. I don't pretty much. But still, this smells like a bougie vacation. It doesn't smell like going to like Disney World. Nothing wrong with that. Oh man, I love this. Oh, I just found a little card that talks about that bag by Mary Soul. It says that the accessories are handmade through fair trade partnerships with artisans in Madagascar. I remember we read that it was from Madagascar, but I didn't read that. I love that. I think that's super important. And they use sustainable natural materials and organically tanned leathers to create each unique piece. There's no leather in this bag, but I love that. Wanted to share it quick. Next up, it looks like we have some sort of like clothing item, maybe a cover-up. I don't know what it is, but those colors are beautiful. Let's get this out. Oh my god, I love this. What is it? It seems like it has a little like tie here. Look at how beautiful this fabric is. The pattern, and it feels so nice. So on the tag it says Pool to Party by Subtle Luxury. Pool to Party loves all things that are vacay ready. It is where sexy meets comfy in easy shapes that you will love. Some of our fabrics are hand loomed or custom designed prints with slight variations that are not defects. Oh, so it is like a cover up. Look at ties there. Let's look at how the model is wearing it. So Birds of Paradise Perio, is that what this type of cover-up is called? $68 retail value. Take your summertime look to the next level with this colorful design, which can be worn as a sarong, a wrap, a dress, or a scarf. Wow, it's so versatile. I love this. It's seriously like my favorite ideal like color scheme. I think it's beautiful. The vibrant Birds of Paradise pattern is printed on sheer, soft, 100% polyester fabric with a fun tassel trim. The silky texture will make it your new favorite weekend essential. Who's ready for warm weather? Well, I've already got the warm weather, but I can't wait to wear this. I think this is so pretty. I'm guessing I'll wear it more like a wrap or a sarong. Like maybe a dress, but like I'd tie it in a way like as a cover up still because it's so sheer, but who knows? I'm definitely gonna try it out. And I love this. Oh my god, I'm so happy with this box. I don't want it to end. Oh no, I lost a nail, you guys. I did press on nails for the first time today, and one fell off. So just ignore that for the rest of the video. We got to keep on moving on. And I'm super excited about the next item. It's by Pharmacy. It's their Very Cherry Bright 15% Clean Vitamin C Serum. It says this potent 15% vitamin C brightening serum is powered by vitamin C rich acerola cherry in a cocktail of 4 forms of vitamin C and 4 forms of hyaluronic acid and skin soothing botanicals that work synergistically to visibly brighten, firm, and hydrate skin instantly and over time. The cherry picked ingredients in this clean formula reduce the appearance of dullness, dark spots, and fine lines for radiant, youthful looking skin without irritation or recovery time. And to use, you can apply it to clean skin, AM or PM. Nice. I have not really been using vitamin C in my regimen, and I do like it, so I am excited to try this out. I have liked a lot of the items I've tried by Pharmacy in the past, and I like the look of this. This has got a pump applicator. Let's put a little bit in the back of my hand. Oh, does it have a little stopper? Oh wow, it's very liquidy. It smells just like cherries. I wonder if it has added fragrance or if that's natural from using in there. But wow, a little bit goes a long way. It feels nice, definitely not sticky, but definitely fragrant of cherries. Yeah, so it does have the acerola fruit extract, so I think that is where the fragrance is coming from. Just glancing over really quick, I don't see like perfume or fragrance written there, so good. Oh, actually, yeah, it says synthetic fragrance-free right above the ingredient list, so I probably should have just read that. So yeah, I'm really excited to try this out. Let's see how much it costs. $62. Now I'm even more excited because I know I very likely would not pick this up on my own. I love getting stuff like this in subscription boxes. Yep, it says it delivers long-lasting hydration, non-sticky, non-irritating formula. It's a total winner. Our editors love it and so will you. Nice. Have you guys tried this? If so, do you like it? And then I think we have one more item in here. There might be some bonus items. I'm looking down because I had to move the box to the ground, that huge ass box. And let's see what we got here. It looks like some jewelry by Roxanne Asulin, if I'm saying that right. It says stack or share with a friend, patchwork bright set of 10 bracelets. Wow. Ooh, and they're fun and colorful and pretty for the summer. These have a retail value, wow, $62.50. That's a lot of money. I guess you are getting 10 bracelets. This bright and cheerful handmade set is inspired by friendship bracelets. They're meant to wear and share, so spread the love. You'll get a selection of 10 colorful beaded bracelets that you can easily dress up with a sundress or down with the jeans and a tee. Our editors love to stack these fun accessories from Roxanne, who is one of their favorite designers and has a cult following. Join the club today. These are really pretty, especially like the ones with like the blue beads in them. But I love the idea of just like wearing these, and then when you're with friends you can like pass one on. Oh, I miss social stuff soon. And then on the back it says, we are cheerful but fragile, so please be gentle with us. We perform best when treated with lots of love. Oh, love it. So I believe that was everything in the regular box. I will put the retail value on the screen. Let's see what's left. Yep, and here it says, P.S. there's more. Oh, nice, look, little travel micellar waters. So this is by Bioderma. I've used this before and I do like these. I believe Bioderma is not cruelty free, so I'll probably put these in a giveaway, but I think this is so cute, and I like that they gave us 4, so you can just like clip one off, and when we hopefully can go traveling soon, you can use it that way, or just have like one in your bathroom, one in your purse in case you need it. Nice. And the next extra, this is something I've tried before. This is Natural Vitality Calm, a magnesium supplement in raspberry lemon flavor. I try and remember to take magnesium about an hour before bed. I have a full size of a different brand and some packets of this. I'm trying to finish up the other container, but next up I'll use this. Like, this is definitely full size. It has 4 ounces, and the magnesium in this really helps you just like to relax and feel less stress and potentially more calm, leading you to a better sleep. I don't know like how amazing it would work if you have like actual like clinically diagnosed insomnia, but I do really like this. So you just scoop a little bit in water, you put 2 teaspoons. Oh, and this container has about 28 servings, so a month's supply if you remember to take it every night. It's vegan, cruelty free, and all it has in it is magnesium. So I always like to say with supplements, the pharmacist in me comes out. If you guys have any pre-existing medical conditions or on any medications, it might just be a good idea to check with your healthcare provider, your doctor or pharmacist to see if this is okay to add into your supplement routine. Oh, and the last extra I'm super excited about. This is by Batiste. Even though the last time I used their dry shampoo was in a video and I forgot to rub it in, it was so obvious. It was really embarrassing, but I still posted it anyways, kind of whatever. But this is different. This is their Batiste Cleanse and Strengthen with Almond Oil Cleansing Foam, and this is definitely full size, 3.6 ounces. It says time for a hair upgrade, ideal for normal or dry hair. This waterless cleansing foam is designed for anyone who needs to refresh their locks in between washes. This lightweight formula dries in 60 seconds with no rinsing or brushing needed. The foam contains nourishing almond oil that supports hair strength. It's a keeper for us. It's so good. I'm so intrigued by this. I am going to try this out tomorrow. Maybe even tonight I'll try it before bed, because I heard it's like good to use some of these products before bed, like dry shampoo at least. I don't know if that's true. Have you guys heard that? But nice, I'm super excited about this. But that was everything, you guys. Another great box by POPSUGAR. Again, the link will be down below to save $20 if you want to get this box. But again, the subscription service is ending, so it will be the only box you receive. But I think it was pretty dang good. I love POPSUGAR. Sad to see it ending, but I wish the best to them. I'm excited to see what they do going forward. I would love to know your thoughts down below on this box. What was your favorite item? I can't decide. I'm really bad with favorites anyways. The candle, the face serum, that like beautiful printed multi-purpose like summer wardrobe thing. I don't even know what to call it. Sarong wrap is beautiful. Yeah, everything is great. I love it. I feel happy after opening this, but sad at the same time. Like I said, goodbye POPSUGAR. Anyways, thank you guys so much for being here and unboxing this with me. I hope you are all safe and healthy. I love you so much, and I will see you in my next video. Bye guys.